I'm here at Waldbaum. Unbelievable. Aquafina and NY 5 cents. Ooh, bottom in first. Hyperspathoid. Two. You're kidding me. Poland Spring! Are you kidding me? It didn't even scan the barcode. This thing's horrible. Bottom end first, or top end first. I'm gonna keep doing that with these. There we go. Took the other Deer Parks. This one has the new barcode. I think it'll take it. Yeah, it doesn't accept the spray. It didn't scan the barcode. God. Sprite. There we go. And it said stored and not accept this brand, so I don't know why the hell it took it after I put it in the other end. Bottom and first, that is what I'm doing. Funny. Interesting. Very interesting. It's just top end first. And now you take it. Piece of shit. Just took that Aquafina too. So now this thing wants top end first. Now you take the Dasani. Fail. It didn't scan the barcode. Piece of shit. That is it.